This video is to help show you how to get to StoryWorks on the computer. So this week we are using StoryWorks for our reading assignments, and you have a copy of the StoryWorks magazine at home in your C folder. But if for any reason, if you lost it, or if you don't have it anymore, or if you would just rather use the computer, this is how you get to StoryWorks online. So I know that these links don't always work for you. So I have every day besides today, you will have a link to StoryWorks. So you just got to go to storyworks.scholastic.com. And then up in the right-hand corner, you'll see Login. Click on Login, and then click I am a student. And it will ask you for your classroom password. Our classroom password is TRIT1234, all lowercase. And then click Sign In. When you sign in, you will see these are all of the StoryWorks magazines that we have access to read. This is the one right here, the March, April, with the little boy jumping in the puddle. This is the one that you have at home, and this is the one that we're going to be reading this week. If we do this again and I tell you a different magazine, you might choose from another one, but this week we're going here. So click on the March/April. And then these are all of the articles that are in this magazine. And this week we are reading a nonfiction story called Out of the Burning Darkness. So when you click on this, it brings you to the actual story. And you've got a couple options. You can either read it just right here on the website and just keep scrolling down. Or you may, if you click on this, I said presentation view, read the story, you'll see what the magazine looks like. This is a little bit easier, I think, to read. It's not just one big long page, and you can actually kind of see where the text boxes are and that kind of thing, because you'll need to see where these are. So you can read it that way. Or if you go back, you can also, gotta find it all the way down here. All the way at the bottom, you've got the story read aloud. So you can listen to it being read to you as you read it on your own. There are two different versions. There are two different lexiles. They are the same exact story, just different reading levels. I'm not going to assign reading levels. So if you want to read the lower lexile level, you can. If you want to read the higher one, you can too. Totally up to you. But you can also listen to it read aloud to you. So I'm going to click on this one. So it comes up on the screen, so you can actually go back up to the top and read along with her as she reads it out loud. So that is how you get to the story. For Monday's work, you need to go all the way down to the bottom and click on this video that says Behind the Scenes, Out of the Burning Darkness. So when you click on the video, it pops up, and you'll watch this video and then answer the questions about it on Seesaw. Then on Tuesday, you'll come back here and actually read the story. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, you may not need to read the story again, but you're totally welcome to. But you'll have questions to answer about the story on Wednesday and Thursday too. So that is how you get to StoryWorks. And that is how we are going to probably do reading from now on. We're going to use StoryWorks a lot more. So if we get to a point where we are not using the magazine that you have at home, that is how you get to it online. So again, look for this one that says March/April, and then you'll be able to find the story for this week.